In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook in Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a polished, customizable ebook that lives in your Google Drive and is easy to update anytime. First, open your web browser and go to slidesgo.com. SlidesGo offers a wide range of ready-made presentation templates that work beautifully as ebooks. Using a template speeds up design so you can focus on your content instead of starting from a blank page. Once you're on the site, click the search bar at the top, type ebook theme, and press enter. This will filter results specifically toward layouts designed for reading, with page-like slides, typography suited for longer text, and visual elements you can adapt to your topic. If results vary, try the phrase without the hyphen or explore related terms like ebook or book. Browse the results and select an ebook theme that matches your style and purpose. Before you click, take a moment to open the preview and scroll through a handful of slides. Look for a cover you like, a clean table of contents, consistent page layouts, and enough slide varieties for chapters, quotes, images, and callouts. Think about readability. Clear headings, generous margins, and legible fonts will make your ebook easier to consume. When you're ready, click download. This will bring up the available formats. You'll typically see options for PowerPoint and Google Slides. Choose the one specifically labeled for Google Slides so everything opens seamlessly in your browser. Next, click Google Slides. If prompted, sign into your Google account so the template can open in your Drive. This step ensures the file is saved online and accessible across devices. When the presentation loads, you'll be asked to make your own copy. Click Make a Copy. This duplicates the template into your Drive, giving you full editing rights without altering the original. Rename the file right away so you can find it easily later. Now customize it. Replace the placeholder text with your ebook's title, subtitle, and author line. Update the table of contents to match your chapter structure. Use the predefined layouts to keep formatting consistent across pages. Swap images by using Insert, Image, and choose files from your computer or Drive. Adjust colors and fonts through the theme panel or the slide master so changes apply globally. Consider page-like dimensions, spacing, and contrast to keep everything readable. Add internal links from the table of contents to specific slides for easy navigation, and include alt text on images for accessibility. As you write, keep paragraphs short, use clear headings, and check alignment so your ebook feels cohesive and professional. That's it. Your ebook is now built in Google Slides, fully editable and ready for content refinement.